All I do is make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two.
When I'm sliding on the beat, they like, who is that? Coin flipper, way that I be turning heads. Side stage, stomach turning, I'm a nervous wreck. Till I heard the fans and the kick, pull the curtain back. Wow, big wig, I don't need a hairpiece. Big dog, no leash, they know I'm a rare breed. Big shoes, can't feel them, this a rare feat. Big price, no sale, but I'm still carefree. Yeah, sweet 16s for the diabetics. Any era, I don't care, I'm the guy to get it. If it's 80-42, then I'm a violinist. Still the illest, go ahead, check the hieroglyphics.
Okay.
Make fire, I'm a caveman.
This is not good. This is not good. Hold on one second.
Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two. Big hitter, baby, I'm in the 4th spot. Been in this position, ain't a short stop. Every song go, my catalog up at Fort Knox. Thinking they can get in on this, baby, of course
They
not.
don't even know what it takes, it's a lethal dose. Make it look easy, think they got it, they ain't even close. Play Nintendo in Japan, baby, we remote. Paling in comparison, they looking like they seen a ghost. Yeah, counting it, went exactly how we plotted, there was not a twist. Saw exactly what we wanted and we got it ish. That's why we scratching off everything that's on the list. This is not a bit. Said it's impossible, huh? Oh man, you know if anyone can, I can.
Make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two.
Okay, one sec. And then being added to it.
Until I get it right. Yeah, these days I've been wide awake, I never sleep late. Got a lot to do, I treat a Sunday like a weekday. Do it for my son, set the table, I need 3 plates. Have my cake and eat it, baby, don't forget the cheesecake. Got it, yeah, they know I got it. Confidence contagious, so the ones around me caught it. Everybody waiting on me, hoping I'ma drop it. I feel like all this weight is on me, still I'm never stopping. No, that is not a, yeah, pushing myself to the limit. I set a goal, but still I never feel enough when I get it. Cause when I go and all these feelings overflow to the ceiling, it's like a hole just open up and I don't know how to feel it. I tell them, look, I don't make mistakes, the mistakes made me. Drop songs when I write them, I don't wait 8 weeks. They too focused on the image now, but that ain't me. Lot of rats taking pics, that's why they say cheese. Lately I've been feeling like there's something off. Lot of friends used to show me love, ain't showing love at all. Yeah, only cheer me on when I was underdog. Running up the numbers, everybody keep on running off. Funny how they wanted me to win until I passed them. Now all of a sudden they be talking in the past tense. He was this, he was that, like I changed up. Had a kid, I'm a dad, gotta make funds these days. Everybody focus on the he say and she say. Acting up and trying to make a scene like a screenplay. Try to be original but end up as a remake. Spend a lot of time thinking about how I'ma be great. I just stick to the plan. Yeah, I'm focused on the music, not a pic for the gram. Stay true to my supporters, yes, I did it for them. So even when I get hot, never switch on a fan. These days, I don't take advice from anybody who gon' tell me how to do it if they never even did it right. These days, I don't waste a minute of my time reminiscing on regrets of the past. That's a different life. These days, I don't need nobody's validation. These days, I don't need nobody's invitation. These days, I don't tell nobody what I'm doing. I just do it. If I fail, keep it pushing till I get it right.
You keep on running around. You keep on running around. I've had enough of these games.
the cash ain't nothing. The way I flip back, straight tens from the judges. Yeah, I'm the too big, can't flush it. Probably gotta plunge it. Word is, this 10 years in the making. Word is, I'm bringing home the bacon. Word is, they don't see what it take to make it, but the word on the street side make it look easy. I'm flattering, cool, way too easy. Word on the street is I make it look easy. I'm actually smooth, it's far too easy. Word on the street side make it look easy. Easy, 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 easy. Word on the street is I make it look easy. Too easy. Make it look easy, but it's not easy. Whip got wings, yeah, I feel like Ron Weasley. Live like kings, so the money ain't measly. Hits like Sting, honey, you cannot beat me. Did it so casual, must be a natural. Heard him say, Yeah, it was gradual, but it's diagonal going up. Me and the capital, super compatible. Got me like, Let's go. Gotta hop in my step, gotta bounce in my walk. Rubber bands from the check, it was more than I thought. Fresh press, squeaky clean, wide awake, what a dream. Hey there, hi, hello, what's the word, baby? Tell me you know, cause I know that the word is this 10 years in the making. Word is, I'm bringing home the bacon. Word is, they don't see what it take to make it, but the word on the street side make it look easy. I'm flattering, cool, way too easy. Word on the street is I make it look easy. I'm actually smooth, it's far too easy. Word on the street side make it look easy. Easy, 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 easy. Word on the street is I make it look easy. Too easy.
No, I'm sitting there. I think that's the one, though.
A2000 EST. OCOEE. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I want my dog. Ay, birds of a feather, we gon' fly together. Ay, we gon' ride forever like it's heavy metal. I ain't Christopher Columbus, I would never settle. I ain't Lewis, I ain't Clark, I would never settle. God told me I'm Olympic, for real. Ay, seek the kingdom while you simping, for real. Why you talking, you should listen, for real. All this jaywalking got me limping, for real. Hey, jaywalking, hey, Jesus walking, hey, talking. Yo, big faith, yeah, I need a whole lot of that way, where I'm about to go like amigo. Can't see the vision that you can't be me amigos. I call up my girl and then we pull her to the Rego. That's the only time we pay to see you acting way different. Way different. Same book, but the page different. The page different. Is it cliche to say I'm lane switching? Well, I'm lane switching. Hold on, let me put my turning signal on, so they see me coming. They still can't see me coming. Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from up. They like, how he, who he, what is this? Hey, my studio is wherever I sit. Hey, I plug in the microphone and now you hear that click. It's a hit. Hey, way it hit 'em like, whoa, man. Hey, make 'em do the uh-oh, man. Hey, how you just came up with whoa, man? Flow electric, this is not a slow dance. Not a slow dance. We come together and we pray and hold hands. He give grace, so wherever grace lands. He paid the price, ain't have no escape plan. Yeah, no plan. Yeah, no plan. Actually, his plan was the plan, so he planned it. Ayy, set the bar high, he the code, so I scanned it. Ayy, we saving souls on the campus. Ayy, but this ain't no religion, we ain't following your antics. Ayy, thank you, Lord, I sit like a praying mantis. Enemy just tryna see me sink Titanic. Never out, but I'm outlanded. Even when I'm out, soon as I land. Back to the beach, back to the sand. Is back to the... Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above.
Candy. Akon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. If I take the blame, put it all on me. I just pray that I won't end up lonely. This world'll drive you real crazy and out of control. Make you wanna pull out and let them shots go. Had to just chill out, 'cause I don't wanna slide. Losing homies really hurt to my soul. Matter how rough that road, far you go, take it easy and live life slow. Through all the highs and lows, stay 10 toes down like you're digging for gold. God, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, yeah, 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 yeah. It's a beautiful day, yeah. And thank you for this life, sorry I complain. The ups and the downs is just a part of the game. It's a beautiful day, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day, yeah. Ride through the city, just reflecting on me. While they hating, I'm just keeping it cool. I ain't even tripping, long as money keep flipping and them sticking to me like glue. Before the carjack, I couldn't hit that. I pulled the Akon, she let me smack that.
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Then I bounced back. I took a wrong turn.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Matter how rough that road, far you go.
Hold on. All right. How can you guys hear me? All right. All right, we're good. Welcome in. Technical difficulties. Let's get to it. How y'all feeling? It's a beautiful day, I'll tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna restart the stream and we come right back, alright? Alright, we restart.
So I'll put a buy stop over. Don't ask me why I'm placing a buy stop here. Just based on the simulations I've done, NASDAQ just, for some reason, it just goes. So we'll try with that. Can you expand how when you use 15-minute time frame, especially since goals and massive moves here? Yeah, 15-minute, like whenever there's a lot of volume, I just use a 15-minute time frame to look for some extra confirmation. That's it. Just extra confirmation. Like, for example, let's say right over here, I'm looking at the 15-minute, right? If I'm looking at the 15-minute right over here, and if we make a lower wick and break above the high on the 15-minute, I would be looking to execute that for price to push up. You know, if I'm new with that information, I may just anticipate it and make notes about it. So if that happens, I'll be ready for the next time. So it's just that extra confirmation. All right, we're over here now. All right, I think this is too big of a lot size, right? 20 lots? I think it's too big. All right, here we go, NASDAQ. Here we go. About to lose this trade. Oh, NASDAQ is activated now. So now, based on the simulation we did, NASDAQ should pump up. Pump up. NASDAQ. Why not looking for sell on gold? Because there's no sell on gold. Look, the candle closed with a small wick. I don't even know how these pips work on NASDAQ. All I know is that I did a simulation yesterday. So if this is 20 lots, so $2,000 should be, okay. So 1,000 pips is like 10 pips. 1,000 pips is like 10 pips. The other day, my wife, she bought a small purse. That purse was like 17,000 dirhams. And I'm like, what? It was like this ostrich skin, small ass purse. And then she returned it because it just made no sense. Okay, anyway, NASDAQ. We are in over here now. Canada, Canada, Canada. Okay, that's good. Now, card. All right. What do I gotta do to make this payment? All right. Looks like NASDAQ is just gonna chill over here. Gold is whatever. So we'll have to see. I'm keeping an eye on NASDAQ here as well. Phone number, okay. All right, buddy boys, NASDAQ stock. Everything else chilling. I don't even know. I mean, yeah, let's see. Gold is still stuck. See this? This is the lower wick which we have formed. Once we've formed this lower wick and it breaks above the high, this is where a buy would be better for price to push up. But we are not breaking above that high. See that? We're not breaking above that high. Well, yeah, so we'll have to wait over here. Oh no! Oh, fuck sakes. Why did I do this? Okay. Okay, bad. All right. Not working. Looks like NASDAQ is still over here. This candle is about to close. Are you planning to, if the trade doesn't work? To be honest, maybe like right here, I'll close the trade. You know, like I'm not focusing on this to go anywhere, if I'm being honest. I'm just trying to see how this all pans out. But in terms of gold, I mean, if this candle can close like a small bearish candle, I think it's good. It's going to be better. What if gold breaks the low of the previous candle? Yeah, let it break the low of the previous candle. Not really looking for that to do anything. You know, like my bias is for buys on gold. So we'll have to see. Oh, look at that. NASDAQ is pushing. Now NASDAQ needs to continue to push. Man, what's wrong with this Windows laptop? Dumbass. Union. Have to shoot. Thank you for the advice. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Take care. Okay, here we go. Copy this. Please pay this amount. Wow, NASDAQ is pretty slow, man. In the simulation, this thing was rocking and rolling. If the bias is buy and it was a fake out, can we take a sell from retest to next support? You can take a sell, but I advise not to change your bias. Yeah, that's where we tried. Like, don't change the bias. But so far, I'm in this NASDAQ here and waiting for NASDAQ to literally just push all the way up, just like it does in the simulations. Yeah, so bro, for my Futura, I was getting an error. Maybe this is their new integration or something. My brother is sick, so I'm trying. We're managing 6 businesses now at this point. Ooh, look at this. Look at this retracement over here. Candle's about to close in about 4 minutes. In 4 minutes, we will be closing soon. So let's just wait and see. All right. 30-minute candle closing over here as well. 1 hour candle. So I guess at this point, this zone will be valid and this in the middle should be invalid because now we're creating this new range.
Okay, we back, gang. We are back. Give me a minute. I'll be on in just a moment. Peace.
All I do is make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same dude. So when I made my first million, had to make two.
When I'm sliding on the beat, they like, who is that? Coin flipper, way that I be turning heads. Side stage, stomach turning, I'm a nervous wreck. Till I heard the fans and the kick, pull the curtain back. Hey, big wig, I don't need a hairpiece. Big dog, no leash, they know I'm a rare breed. Big shoes, can't fill them, this a rare feat. Big price, no sale, but I'm still carefree. Yeah, sweet 16s for the diabetics. Any era, I don't care, I'm the guy to get it. If it's 80-42, then I'm a violinist. Still the illest, go ahead, check the hieroglyphics. Yeah, said it's impossible, huh? It's impossible, huh? Oh man, hey, you know if anyone can, I can.
Make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. Young, it was get rich or die trying. Now I'm grown, still rolling with the same plans. Had other plans, I made two. Not one of them was struggle or just make do. Never satisfied and still the same.
Okay, welcome in, welcome in. Let's try this again. How y'all feeling? I don't know what's going on. I was just told to be here. I don't know. How we feeling? Alright, welcome in everyone. Zoom. I think we're good. I think we're good. YouTube? We good? Alright, let's run it. Let's run it. Saw exactly what we wanted and we got it ish. That's why we scratching off everything that's on the list. Listen, not a bit. Okay, cool. Good to see you guys, man. Holy, I missed y'all. Let's do this. Let's do it. It's game time.
Make fire, I'm a caveman. Never dropped the ball, got great hands. I was younger, it was get rich or die trying.
All right, let's run it. Let's run it.
Had other plans, I made two.
Not one of them will struggle to just make do. All right, perfect. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, how y'all doing? Good to see you guys. Welcome in, welcome in. It's been a minute. I almost forgot how to live stream here. Yeah. What's good? W's in the chat. Z Gamers here. Energy in the building. I seen Green here. What up, Carrie? Carrie's in the house. What's poppin'? What up, SG80? Lemon in the house. What up, Arrow Sassy? Good to see y'all. Only Bands in the building. All the homies are here. All the homies. Jamil. What up, Kelvin? Clubhouse, how we feeling? What up, Casso? DeMarco in the building. Yogi in the house. What up, Yogi? What's good? Golden Dubs in the house. What up, Golden Dubs? What's up, Elk? The heavy hitters. DJ Scratches in the building. How y'all feeling, man? You guys all got payouts on Friday? A lot of payouts. What's good? All right, we're spinning. I thought YouTube would be a little bit more excited to see me, not gonna lie. Clubhouse going crazy right now. They're going crazy, C Melly. Oh man, congratulations everyone on your payouts, on your advancements, on your progress, and we're just getting started, man. The money's just starting to hit now. Yeah, you like the taste of it, eh? Tastes good. Now you guys, do you guys now see why I always stick to my plan? Always, man, because the money just too good, man. It's just too good. All right, Exit Strat in the building. What's poppin'? What up, Bulk Trades? What's good? What's up, Connor? There he is. D in the house. What's good? Traders Next Door in the building. All right, let's do this. We're gonna take some payouts to myself here today. We're gonna make sense of the markets here today. And I don't even know what I'm doing. I forgot how to stream. So let's go ahead and pray. Pray for me real quick that I can run this live stream correctly here. Let's go ahead and dive into it, man. God is good. I'm just grateful to be here. So let's go ahead and share some prayer together, all right? Let's do it. All right, well, Father God, we thank you for this opportunity, Lord. We thank you for this community, everything that you're doing in it. We ask you for nothing, Lord, because you've given us everything we need to go out and fulfill the will and the kingdom work that you have called and assigned us to, Lord. So we thank you for that. I thank you for the harvest, Lord, that it is so plentiful, Lord. We just pray that more workers would come in. I pray that you would speak through me, hit this microphone, and just impact, inspire, uplift, and help your people get from point A to point B. Lord, we thank you for all that you've done, all that you continue to do, and for the blessing that you are here in this community. We thank you. We give you the glory here publicly in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Let's do it. Always better when it's blessed. I'll tell you that, fam. I'll tell you that. Let me just grab my tools over here. Let me lower this music a little bit, and then let's jump right into it today. Yeah, we're a little behind, but we're right on time, right? Yes. Amen. All right, let's talk about it here, gang. Let's jump into the chart. It's been a couple days here. I mean, Clubhouse was on fire last week, but we did miss you guys on YouTube, and we're back now. So it's been a couple days, and we're ready to roll. So let's jump into it. Let's go through the news real quick. Today is Monday. It is I think it's the last day of the month, or second to last day, or something like that, right? Either way, it's another day. It's another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined, to be 8-figure traders. I mean, that's what you're trying to accomplish, right? So you need to be what it is that you want to be, right? Act the part here today. So I'm going to act the part of a 8-figure trader because I'm looking to, mold myself right into one. So again, today is the 29th. It is Monday. Price is going up. So we'll see what happens. Let's talk about the news here real quick. I don't think there's much happening in the news today, but we will have more news coming in throughout the week. So it should be a pretty straightforward week here. We got news almost every day besides today. So if we look here tomorrow, which is Tuesday, if we scroll down here, we're going to have some US dollar news coming in at 10 a.m. That's going to be a red folder there that we'll have to look out for with jobs JOLTS opening. That's pretty much it for that. Looks like a CAD bank holiday too tomorrow. I'm not sure what that is. Canadian bank holiday, National Day of Truth. Okay, cool. So yeah, bank holiday for the CAD tomorrow. Wednesday though, we got a new month here. So Wednesday, we have ADP coming in, back on schedule here, right, on Wednesdays. So you're gonna have 8:15 news, big red folder on Wednesday at NY Open. Then you're also gonna have 10 a.m. news here with the ISM PMI stuff coming in as well. So let's move over to Thursday, which will be the 2nd of October, and you're gonna have unemployment claims here at 8:30, right on time, and that's pretty much it. You know, a couple yellow folders that we got to look out for on Thursday, just a very typical Thursday. And then Friday, right? Friday, October 3rd, the first Friday of the month. As always, we're gonna have very heavy 8:30 news. You're gonna have non-farm payroll. You're gonna have ISM PMI more here. You're gonna have unemployment rates coming out. So yeah, this week should be fantastic, right? We are overlapping here. Keep that in mind. You got the end of September, the beginning of October. Play the game right? You know, don't try and do anything too crazy. Let's just play the game properly here today, and let's see if we can get some setup. So let's dive into the charts. If you guys can, give the stream a like, sub to the channel, and let's dive into the technicals here. I think price could potentially be setting up for some opportunities. So let's talk about this. You guys ready? Y'all ready? My bad, I didn't even pause. How y'all doing, man? Everybody good? What's up, Aaron? What's up, Della? I'm just going. I just missed this stuff. Vivian Young in the house. Let's go. What up, AB Mike? Congrats on your payouts. Congrats on everyone going live too, by the way, with Top 1 and stuff. Fantastic job. Yeah, seriously, all around the horn, man. All around the horn. Okay, cool. Well, glad you guys are doing good. Let's jump into this fresh top-down analysis. Let's go through gold. We'll take a look at ES here, and then we'll kind of move about our business. So this is gold. This is the daily time frame here, and it looks like we have you know, kind of this range going on, right? Let me just kind of open this up a little bit. So your daily time frame here. So you have a resistance, right? You've got some support here, and this candle is just going buck wild now, right? It's just going crazy here. So really no lower wick at all. Right, no lower wick, just kind of big push up here as price continues to break all-time highs. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish, you know, pretty bullish for the most part here today. Let's see if we can continue moving up. I'm also open to taking some sells, but only because this candle has not closed above the range yet, and then there's no bottom wick. So I would be open to some potential sells somewhere around here, but we'll have to see what the lower time frame looks like for that. So let's jump down to the 4-hour here, and let's get a little guidance on this session. So it looks like our 4-hour candle or candles have been creating support, pushing off that support, and then just kind of, you know, broke all-time highs. Last 4-hour candle closed bearish, but this one doesn't seem to really care, right? Because we ended up not even making a lower wick, pushing up, breaking the highs. So do we continue moving up here on gold today? That's the big question. Or is this 4-hour going to reject? I think the sells are probably going to work best on the new 4-hour candle, right? Because we really don't want to jump into sells too quickly here. This candle can move down just to go straight back up, and the next one to follow suit here, right? So I think if you get a weak closure on the 4-hour and then maybe break those lows at some point later, that's where we can probably get into the best sells here today. So let's drop down. I want to see what this wick looks like on the 1-hour chart. So that's going to be a resistance here. We're coming right back into support on the 1-hour time frame here. Nasty support, a lot of consolidation. I think anything above this 38.48 is going to be bullish here today, no doubt about it. So let's see if we can remain above. We did close below. If we can fake back out, right, we fake out, come back above the range, most likely you'll see that 1-hour time frame start to continue moving bullish today. So let's take a look at the 30. 30's looking good. That's that 1-hour range that we were talking about right here at 48 there. So let's see, maybe if we get a closure back above, I think buys are going to start to play out really good. If you begin to remain below, right, if you remain below 38, then what could happen here, right, is that 4-hour may want to pull back, right, and do something like this. So we don't want to get caught in that liquidity right there. And then that next, if that 4-hour close is weak, right? I think this is your previous 4-hour low. You might see candles start to drive down there right that. So we'll see. As of right now, I'm very bullish. I would love to see if we can take some buys here in about 15 minutes or so. And if we can, great. If not, then we'll hold off a little bit. It's Monday. We're chilling. We're up in profits we're heavy in profits on the week. I'm gonna do a payout today with Top Step. I'm also gonna do a payout today with Top One, and yeah, we're just gonna chill, wait for a good setup here. So that's pretty much my thoughts on what we got going on here with Goldie. And yeah, so buys above 48 here. Let me just see the 15. Yeah, definitely buys above 48 on the 15, and then no sells for me yet. No sells. I think the sells are maybe below here, but I need a 4-hour closure first. So I'll leave it there for now, just so we got an idea, and then that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be a no trade range. So anything above 48 looks good for buys. Anything below 43 is going to start to look good for sells, right? I don't want to say we're there yet, but there's some potential there. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple day here on gold. It is 9 a.m. so we'll see. We got a lot of volume coming in here at 9:15, or I'm sorry, it is 9:15. You got a lot of volume that's going to start coming in through this next 45 minutes here. So we'll see what we can do. Yeah, we'll see what we could do. This is going to be a no trade range here for me pretty much. And then anything above that is all money here, right? Anything below, most likely we'll take advantage of here as well. And that's it. That's it, my friends. That's it. So the buys may work out here, right? Because if price is going to close above on the 30-minute, then it's going to have to move up here, right? So we'll see if we can get that 15 closure just like that. We take some buys on that next 15 candle at next 15-minute candle at 9:30 for price to continue bullish. Cool. And biddy, that's all, folks. That's all. Take a picture of it. That's it. Yeah. Yep. Good. Cool. Any questions? That'll be gold. Let's take a look at ES here too and see what we can kind of come about here with ES. All right, cool. So we got so we did close bullish there on Friday. So we got a bullish closure on Friday here on ES. Strong bullish closure at that. Really no lower wick here on this current candle right now. So, whatever. We'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour is running into, resistance up here. It looks like we did close above, but we've been moving up for quite some time. Candles are starting to get a little smaller. I'm curious to see what we do here. If this candle, this current 4-hour candle, right, with 42 minutes left on it, if that candle can actually close below this range, then I think the shorts potentially set up here, right, for price to move down. If we remain above, it's going to be a little tough, right? Price probably keep moving up. So yeah, I think I'll wait on the 4-hour closure here, or at least like 9:30 to get us out of this chop here, and then kind of look at ES from there. So yeah, I think resistance at 36. Above that is pretty clean up until 52 there. So if you get a closure above what is it? Yeah, 36. Then I think that looks pretty good. And then in terms of the sells here, yeah, same thing, man. Probably gonna have to hold off until we have a 4-hour closure, all right, to take these sells. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, maybe below this 1-hour chop. Maybe if we're only looking at the 1-hour time frame, we can go from there. But yeah, whatever. So we'll wait on gold here. Potential closure above, and then yeah, see if we could take these buys, right? Because the idea is we got a lot of volume coming in now on this candle, right? So we got 40 minutes left on the 1-hour. Could we anticipate that by the end of the 1-hour candle, it looks something like this, right? I think so. Yeah, so we'll just wait. If you guys are in the 15-minute buys, great. If not, then you're hanging out with me and waiting on the 30 closure here. All right. That's that. Cool. Let me open up my Zoom squad here. What's poppin', everyone? Good to see you guys. Good to see y'all. Good morning, Chandra. What's good? Yeah, I think some early buyers got knocked right here too, for sure, right? Price kind of broke the highs there and then just drove right back down. So, yeah, I like to close above, and we're good to go on a lovely Monday here. We're good to go. We're gonna take some payouts here today. Top one is looking good, so we're gonna take payout in this Ignite account here. Pretty straightforward, easy peasy trading for the last 2 weeks or whatever. So we'll take we're up 3,300. I think I could take what 1,100 from this one. I think so, something like that. And so we'll do that today. And then Top Step is up. I'm up on 3 accounts here, so we're up 2250 ish on 3 accounts. So yeah, we'll take a payout with Top Step here as well today. So this payout I can take. I'm up like 7,000 on total, so probably about like 3,300. Yeah, 3,300 and 1,000. So we'll take like $4,000 today in payouts. Something light. What's up, OM? What's poppin'? The 15 minutes, all right. It's all right. It's not looking bad. Yeah, if you're in off the 15, not bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait on the 30 here. I don't really like that top wick. There's 2 things I don't like about the 15. Is this top wick here and this resistance here. That's it. Otherwise, I like it. But we're gonna stick to the 30-minute here, and then I guess go from there. Let me move back over here. There we go. Perfect. All right. We want green. Green is here. There he is. What's up, hero of the day? What's poppin'? Too much background? Let's lower it a little bit. That should be good. Honestly, I can't even hear the music. My headset's mad choppy today, so I'm just like, it's in and out, so I'm just dealing with it. What up, Rafi? There he is. W webinar this weekend.
Good morning, my
brother. Very good.
Thank you.
How are you, brother?
Good morning, chat. How are we feeling today? YouTube, how are we feeling? We miss you guys.
We missed YouTube, man. Damn. I was having like, there was one night where I couldn't even sleep. It was weird. I'm like, I want to do something. Like, I was like, 3 in the morning, and I'm like, I just want to get up and like host a live stream.
Yeah, feel you.
Yeah, my headset's choppy, so sorry if I don't hear maybe some things you say.
Oh, it's good on my side. It's clear.
Perfect. Yeah, W webinar, bro. Really, really good.
Thank you, brother. Hope, when I say, shakes, man, volunteering, and probably, what's his name? I can't remember, man. Sorry if you're here, man. But yeah, the 2 volunteers, man, that you guys killed it.
Bro, I can't hear too good. But yeah, that was awesome. That exercise too was fuego. And the Navy SEALs, oh man.
Dude. Somebody was like, why are we watching that? Why are we training here? Yeah, it's just, it's just perception. That's what we're trying to do, If those guys can do this, doing those kind of conditions and environments, I'm sure we can do pretty good. We're just in front of a screen looking up Kindles.
That's it. It's the easy job.
Right. These guys are about to drown themselves, like about to get killed. And if it works for them, I'm sure it can work for us looking at Kindles going up and down.
I think so. Yeah, we had a good week last week. How'd you guys do last week? I think, what was the last day we streamed? Was it Monday or Tuesday? It was either one of those days, Monday or Tuesday. But how'd y'all do? How'd you guys do?
Yeah, only two trades last week.
We did we did pretty good here. No trade on Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but no trade on Friday here. So pretty simple. Pretty simple. Let's see. I left at the hardest week? Really? I thought last week was pretty simple. I thought it was a pretty straightforward week. Yeah, I don't think we really, I mean, yeah, outside of Monday was my only crazy day. Other than that, 103 trades, 4 trades, 1 trade, boom, 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 100%. So we smacked on everything, really. Monday was the only day where I had this overlapped with Asian session, but it was probably like three or 4 trades on Monday. Yeah. So I thought it was pretty straight. What did you guys deal, or what was the difficulty of last week? Do you believe in positive, negative reinforcement? For instance, treat yourself with a cookie for following rules, or shave your head for breaking rules. Yeah, some people that actually helps them a lot. Some people don't need it, but if it's something that you need, then why not use it? I'm totally open to playing psychological games with myself. You know what I mean? So if that helps, it helps. Right, hero of the day, take a cookie. Tell him, take a cookie. Yeah, I mean, that's like goal setting too. Like, there's a lot of things that I could like just buy if I wanted to, but a lot of times what I do is I wait until I hit a goal. So although like I can buy it, right, I don't buy it because I want to make sure I earn it in a way. And like, yeah, you could say I already earned it, right, because I've already developed enough money to afford it, let's just say. But it's really not about that for me. It's about getting something based off of hitting a goal. Like, my children freak people out in the supermarket, because you want to know why? Because we go to the supermarket, right, and like you got like these kids like, I want this, I want that, and they're grabbing stuff off the shelves and they're crying and they're throwing a tantrum, and then someone comes by us and they hear Alea go, hey daddy, can I set a goal for that? And these people are freaked out. They're like, what the heck? Right? So I think setting goals, right, before you really get anything, even if you can get them, why not set a goal, right, and earn it a little bit more? And then that way it's kind of like that feeling of positive reinforcement, or just, a reward for doing something that you were supposed to do. Yeah. Yeah, we be freaking people out all over the place. It's crazy.
These guys are not from here. They're aliens.
They're aliens. We don't know who they are. Oh, man. Let's see here. September was a blessing. It really was. It was a blessing, man. I'll be honest. I made a lot of money in September in the markets, but what I really like is how many other people made money. Right? I mean, that's why I'm here. I could make money all by myself, right? But I'm here to help others make the money. And gang, I mean, we could have set up a parade in the clubhouse and just marched results by one over the course of September. I mean, it's been an absolute blessing for a lot of individuals. We got a lot of people moving over to live too. Let me show you guys some of this stuff that's happening in the clubhouse. It would really be like, I should be sharing more of this, right? Our boy Aaron gets moved over to live with Top One. Congrats. By the way, on Friday, Aaron took a $22,000 payout with Top One. Beautiful job, Aaron. Juan, my man Juan Duran, right? Coming in, a beautiful payout. I think this was your first payout, right? Yeah, I think so. We got C. Melly moving over to live. So when you talk about payouts versus moving over to live, like, these are traders now that are consistently trading well and profitable to the point where they have gotten approved to trade live capital. So this is what we're developing here, right? Straight up savage traders that I would love to come work for me and my hedge fund down the road, right? We got more payouts here. So this is just like over the weekend, right? Aaron also crushing it with other firms as well. Just, he's got too much capital at this point. My guy got too much capital everywhere, so he's got to seek elsewhere. My boy Juan, what does that say, chat? What does that say? Proud of you, Juan. $11,200, right? Beautiful, beautiful payout. And I think there was another one in there, right? From the other day. Wokey putting up 8 stacks here with Top One. So another one. This stud right here, AB Snipe, we're talking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25,000 in bonuses. Yes, you heard me correct, chat. Those say $5,000 each each. So we're really moving and grooving here. Like, it's one thing for me to get results, and I've proven that to you and showed that to you year after year. It's another for the savages, right, coming behind me, who I've been basically pouring into for all those years, starting to catch up too. So it's just incredible. My man Billy, almost $2,000. Billy Millie, B21. The production here and the performance has been just incredible. Look at this, just beautiful. Beautiful work. All right, anyways, we got a 30-minute closure here, so let's see if we can get a lower wick, and then I'm gonna have a buy stop on the break of these highs here on Goldie. So let's see if we can get the lower wick. That should be good enough, and now we are gonna have a buy stop here. Yeah, buy stop. We want to see price move on up towards 58. That'll basically be where I'm taking my profits. It's going to be about a 60 pip range. We're going to have about a, let's see, yeah, like a 31 pip stop. Yeah, 31 pip stop. Going to keep it tight. Maybe even keep the stop a little bit back below the range. Yeah, like 45 pips. So that's it. Very, very bullish here on gold. Let's see if we could break the highs and continue moving bullish today. Messing up after leaving some profit. That's okay, man. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. We are here to learn. Let's go. What up, TK? Thanks for all the help this morning. The man. Okay, so that's my plan today, and it is 9:30. We should have lots of volume coming in. If we do re-break those highs, I think we should see ourselves move up towards like 38.60 and see if we can keep pushing bullish here today. So we'll see what's going to happen. It's a perfect lower wick. If we could start moving up now, that'd be great. If we start breaking the lows like drastically, then price may have a little bit of a different idea, and we may have to roll with that idea instead. So yeah, congrats guys, for real. Really nice job. It don't get much better than that, and that's just some people, by the way. That was like, you know, like that was yeah, that was like last week. That wasn't even like the whole month. So congrats, Ryan. Big payout. A lot of people, a lot of big payouts, man. Okay, so it looks like the stops are going to be about 50 pips-ish. Yeah, about 50 pips here. So let's see if we can break that high and go to the sky. Goldie, go to the sky. Let's take a look at ES here. We got 930, wildness going on. Yeah, I'm going to leave ES alone and stick with gold for now. Johnny Gems? Yeah, he should be here pretty soon. Yep. Okay, so this is a trade I'd be cool with taking a loss on. Remember that. You gotta, before you take trades, you gotta understand, hey, when I journal this trade, am I gonna be okay with taking this loss? Bullish bias, breakout at 9:30, clean traffic to the left, high volume time. Yeah, looks pretty good to me. Yeah, you got about a 60 pip advantage point here too. So looking pretty good. I think like partials, maybe somewhere around like 56. Right, like 56-ish, and then yeah, maybe the rest just continue holding, you know, see if it can actually move up there. So I'm in. My stops are going to be kept back below the current candle low, and TP is going to be way up at 61, and then partials will be at 56 if we can get there. It is 9:30. We should have a lot of volume here. This was a perfect lower wick. So we'll see if we can get going. Noble Extra Rising, what's poppin'? How are you, my friend? Nice to see you. Nice to see you in the clubhouse. Let's go. High risk, low risk, medium. Yeah, just a regular trade. Just the regular degular. Yeah, let me put the partials up here. Partial is going to be right around this area here. And that's it. All right, so let's see if the volume can take us, Rafi.
It's gonna take it up. Take you up.
All right, we're gonna break through this wick here now. So let's see if we can get a good push through that wick. That wick is the no, it's nothing here. So yeah, we're good. Let's see. Only in the clubhouse. Hey, what's up, Walter? How are you? How are you? Let's see here. You gonna... Let's see. What up, Rob? How was your weekend, bro? Green, how was your weekend, buddy? How was your weekend? Man, I really did miss you guys. It's been a minute. I feel like it's been a minute. Let's see. Partial zone is going to be 56. 56. Yeah. Johnny Gems in the house. How are you, brother?
Yo, what's
Johnny.
up, boys? How you guys
It's
feeling?
popping.
Hey, how are you?
See you, bro.
Nick and Rafi, how you doing?
Great,
See
brother.
ya.
You?
Blessed.
Doing amazing, bro.
Blessed.
Awesome.
Nice.
We got 9:30 here. Let's see if we can get a nice push up. These bodies looking beautiful.
Yes, sir. How was your weekend?
Weekend was incredible, bro. Can't complain.
Nice.
It was an awesome weekend. Nice, relaxed weekend. So, yeah.
Friday was good. Friday we went to that steakhouse.
Yeah,
I
man.
think that was it. That was the last time I seen you. How was it? Good?
Yo,
Did you
yeah.
enjoy it?
Yeah. Yeah, it was awesome, bro. Friday was great. Can't go wrong at a all-you-can-eat steakhouse, you know?
My bad. I can't
You get
really
some
hear
rice?
hear you guys too good,
happened?
but
Yeah, it's all good. What's up, chat? How y'all feeling? Happy new week here. Let's have a blessed week.
let's have it.
Can we get a juicer here?
Maybe, maybe. Did I get a payout? I didn't take it yet. I was gonna take it right here with you guys live. Yeah. I'm due for it. I just haven't taken it yet. My stops are below the current candle low. Yeah. Yeah, I got a payout with top one and top step here today. So we're going to take both of those. Boom, bum, bum. Took partials and got break even. Nice. Yeah, I think we got like 17 pips. It wasn't enough for me to close partials yet. About 20. Yeah, about 20, 21. So I think I'm going to wait for 56, or I have no problem taking a stop here either, you know. So either 56 for partials, and then maybe we can move up towards, 60. Yeah, like 60, and then that'll pretty much be the trade for me.
To me, this trade is worth the loss. And yeah, look at all that clean range to the left, right?
Yeah,
Look
same.
left to get right. I mean, some of you guys say, how could we hold longer? Well, look at the left-hand side, and if there's clean range, hold. Like, just like there is right now.
The question is, where's my phone
clean.
charger?
Clean all the way up till 58. I really like this.
Let me just put my phone on the charger.
Nice lower wick too, tapping right into 48. Can't get much better than that. I got 15-minute onion, 30-minute onion, 1 hour's rejecting support, 4 hours bullish.
Okay, we rebroke the high. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to go break even here. Let's see if partials can get hit. I think I'm going to take some partials. Yeah, right here is fine. Yeah, right here is good. So we'll take some partials. So I locked in partials there at, let's see, let me just mark that up. About, what was that? 24 pips. And then we'll see if we can keep moving up towards full TP. But I'm break even now. And that'll basically be the trade.
Yeah, maybe we'll see a last 5-minute push here.
Yeah. Good stuff. Welcome back. Welcome back. Back to business, baby.
Happy Monday, everybody.
Happy Monday.
Happy Shmonday. Isn't there a good song? Welcome back or something? Yeah? Oh yeah, this one. Welcome back, chat.
Hey, you good? I know you like that. I know you like that.
How long you been back, man? About 40 minutes. All right. Anyway, we do what we can out here, man. We do what we can. We do what we can. All right. Let's see if we can keep running, man. Oh, snap. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. Come on, Goldie. Run for us here. Chad, I think I got to close this now because I'm hitting my consistency here on top one. So, yeah, I'm out. I'm fully out right there at 5:23. So, fully out. If you guys want to hold, that's not an issue. I just don't want to go past my consistency rule. So, I'm out. Yeah. What's up, Angelo? Good to see you, man. All right, nice trade, gang. Nice trade. Beautiful one, beautiful. I really meant to. I'm gonna start trading my live Tradeovate, my futures account as well. I had some money in there that I almost just forgot about, you know. So I'm gonna start trading that. Pretty heavily risked, and yeah, just have some fun with that one too. Yeah, I'm trading all accounts, man. I'm trading all accounts. This trade I only got to take on my 2 instant funded, so I'll make $1,000 today. That'll be alright. I think we could do a payout here too, right? I think we do a payout today. Shouldn't have went break even. Yeah, I don't think there was really a reason to go break even yet, you know. By the way, the only reason I close is because the consistency rule as well. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. Other than that, I'm still holding if I'm on another account. Yeah, up until at least, at least like right here. W move. W.
Yeah, I just got out full there.
You know how we do, chat. We can't just come back and give you a boring session or something like that. We got to get right into it here. Right into it. I seen somebody just shouting about the liquidity to the downside. Come on, man. Not when I'm in a buy. Not when I'm in a buy. My goodness. Can I ask, what do you guys get out of that? What do you guys get out of that? Hey man, I wouldn't be in these buys. A lot of pressure to the downside right now. A lot of pressure. Why, man? While I'm in drawdown too? Come on. It's messed up, man. I'll be writing y'all's names down.
What's up with that? That was a beautiful trade to start the week. Wow.
Got to follow the playbook, man. All right. If you took that trade, type a W in the chat. If anyone made some money here today. Anyone? Oh, there we go. Clubhouse making some shmoolah.
That optimistic TP.
Okay, as always, though. Is that surprising? No. All right, nice job. Nice job. Way to kick Monday off. Very simple, right? Did we do anything crazy? We did not. We drew up a play, we waited for it, and came to us. That's trading.
Yep. Yes, sir. Great job, everyone. Beautiful trade.
Holy W's in the chat. How many people are here today? I'm a little rusty too. I'm a little rusty.
Nick, you said it's payout day for you?
It's payout day, baby.
Brother, it's payout day for me, but let's freaking go.
Hey, let's go.
W.
How much we taking, Johnny Gems? How much we taking?
I think close to like 4K. I gotta do
Okay, hey. Johnny Gems slapping 4K on him.
I mean, bro, I look at the clubhouse, bro. The clubhouse. Solid. I'm like, damn, clubhouse. I got to step it up here.
Dinner on Johnny Gems this week.
Yeah, word, bro. I took care of it last week.
Full closure, gang. Full closure.
This week.
I'm out. If you should be too. Right, Green?
I'm out on everything.
You should be too. Yeah, what a move.
Bro. I secured
what a move. Let me get a screenshot here real quick. And then, boom. Copy image.
Wow.
Hey, we didn't even have to be here for 8 a.m. for that. Seriously, that was nice. All right, guys. We're going to start the stream every day at 9:15. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Man. Okay, Rob. You flexing on us now? Okay. All right. Rob, they pay you that at your full-time job every day. Phil getting it done. Little 573.
Yeah, wow, bro.
Y'all making
4K,
more
bro.
money than me today. Boss asked
chat
me
with
why I
me.
didn't want to work today. I feel that, bro. But like, you wouldn't understand. Is this Forex? This is futures. Futures. But we do trade Forex as well.
Yeah, see, Melly, bro, that's some good math to do, bro, for real.
John, I'm hyped for you. Let's get it.
Hey, bro,
Another
I'm
one.
hyped for everyone else in the chat. Let's go.
Holy Clubhouse. Low codes, baby. Low codes. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, it's pretty cool to see like
Very
everyone
close pull
else's
there, chat.
P&L looking like my P&L now. That's how you know the teacher's teaching, baby, and the students are studenting. They're learning. They're studenting. Give me one sec.
Bro, I had no business today besides showing up to gold at 9:30 and looking to take a position here, and that was honestly my only business today. Nothing else.
Okay.
Now what?
Now what? Who's got questions? We'll take a payout here in just a sec. I'm very happy we got this on YouTube, man. It was almost over for YouTube today.
YouTube,
Sheesh.
y'all lucked out today, man.
Holy $4,049. That's a day right there, Mr. Steve-Own. Steve-Own, baby. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Ken Hard, I see you, brother. I see you. John, look at this, bro. This is insane. Rafi,
Dude,
this is insane, bro.
What's up? Hold on. I'm just.
I mean, if this doesn't hype you up, I don't know what does.
hypes me up, bro. Gets me
I
on
mean,
my
Green,
tail.
Green just made the easiest
numbers,
300
brother.
of his life.
I think green's turned into my favorite color.
Me
Used to
too,
be blue.
bro. Me too.
Yeah, I know, bro. I used to be obsessed with that blue.
That blue. Not
I used to
anymore.
have
NT5.
The
Used
color
to be-
code, you know, and I used to use it for everything.
Word, bro. It
I
used
know.
to be blue when I was a kid. Then it was gold when I started trading gold, and then I think it's green now that I'm in the clubhouse.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's TT's theme color, bro. Green. Wow, what a trade.
Hey Nick, what happens if I join TTE? You get money. That's what happens. You get money and you get better in life, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know how you get money? You get better. You get better. And that's what have we been preaching? Performance over profits. You want to know the funniest part about all of these guys and girls who are getting all the results? They're not focused on profits anymore.
Yeah, for real, bro.
Did anyone else hear that? They are not focused on profits anymore, is what I said. These guys are focused on strictly performing. Look at this. Strictly performance. Taking playbook setups, 1 to 2 trades a day, calling it a day when they're up, when they're green, and staying green, right? Right? If you end up green for the day, guess what? If you never take another trade again that day, you know you end the day green. Yeah? How many of you guys want to keep ending the days green? A little bit more, right? A little bit more, a little bit more. That's how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, Nico.
Yeah, chat.
My guy.
Yeah, chat, YouTube. I'm about to take 4K out with these prop firms this month of September, and literally my only goal and focus each and every day was to show up and follow my trading rules. I didn't care if I was green or red. All I cared about was following my trading rules, because guess what? That's what was going to give me an edge on the markets, right? Every single day, what's going to give us an edge to win against the markets is those trading rules that put the odds in our favor, right? So that's all I did, was show up each and every day and look to follow my trading rules. Didn't even care about the profits or the losses. Just show up and be disciplined to the rules every day.
That's it. Guess what? Money's a byproduct of that, dude.
And I literally every single day in the clubhouse I showed up and I'm like, money's a byproduct of following your trading rules. So this month, you follow your trading rules, you'll receive profits.
Yep. How does someone not focus on the profits? That's what I mean. Like, you don't need to. You need to focus on a system that produces profits. And then you need to center your whole focus on following that system, because like we just said, money, profits are a byproduct. You don't get profits because you want profits. You get profits because you follow a profitable system every single day without deviation. So therefore, I think we all know we want to make money. Is everyone on the same page with that? We want to get filthy rich to the point where, I don't know, we could have a snowball fight with stacks of dollar bills. I don't know. We all know we want to make money here, right? We all know we want profits, right? Every single time I talk, I say, hey, I got into trading for 5 reasons. Money, 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 and money, right? So we all know we want to get money. Okay, I think that's clear. But now it's, how do we get money, right? And now we need to focus on that, right? We understand we're here for dollars, but now we need to take our focus off the dollars, and we need to focus on what it takes to bring them in, which is following the system and performing the best you can according to that system. That's how you do it. There's no other way around it, right? Just like, again, Tom Brady wants to get a $1 million contract. Guess what? A million other quarterbacks, a million other 21-year-old quarterbacks want a contract for $1 million, right? But what does it take to get the contract? Got to put in that work, right? He's got to stay disciplined. He's got to follow his playbook, his game plan, do what his coaches need him to do, perform properly, right? Performance will get the profit. So, yeah, that's it. Simple, right?
Yes,
it's a byproduct.
Yup.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
I'm only 400 away from my second payout this month. Congratulations. Oh, what a sniper exit, by the way. Wow.
Bro, sniper exit.
I must say, you guys are good. Yo, you guys are good.
I was legit going to hold till the full TP on like a couple other accounts, but I didn't. I got out and everything.
Let's get
literally
it.
Sniper exit.
Whoa, ho, ho.
I feel like most people.
Wokey.
Let's go, Wokey.
That's crazy.
Yeah, remember, chat. Most traders think they have to do more. They need to do more trades, more risk, right? More strategies. But really, they need to do less, and they need to focus on doing more of the little things that work, which is a couple key fundamental things that will put the odds in your favor, right? All you need is about 2 to 3, maybe 4 to 5 things that you could stay consistent with that put the odds in your favor. And at the end of the day, it's just being consistent with rinse and repeating that process, right? You don't need to do more. You need 3 to 4 to 5 things that put the odds in your favor. You need to stay consistent with that, right? And if you give that time, consistency, things take time, right? If you give that time, you're gonna have a lot of great success. And the bottom line, which is the key to everything, is you're gonna make it hard to lose, right? If you can make it hard to lose, it will become easy to win eventually, right? As it's hard to lose. So I would focus on that.
Yes, sir. Good advice.
Lovely.
Why don't we do weekly trade reviews? We do. Yeah, we do. We do them every single week, every Friday. I just didn't do mine this week because my PC got all messed up. So, and if we don't do like a weekly review, we tend to do just like a webinar weekly review. So yeah, we do them. Man, y'all got to come in the clubhouse. You guys are missing a lot of the good stuff in here. Yeah, this is somebody asked the question yesterday, like outside of the live trading, what else do we get? So those weekly webinars are one thing that you get. Yeah, right. Trade setups or trade recaps. So if you just go to trade recaps, you can watch them all there. And it's not even just me that does them. John does his, Magnus does his, and there's a lot of information in there. Yeah, John's just came out here. Yeah, I think mine. The last one I did, we went over the playbook as well. Yeah, so we talked a little bit about the playbook on the front end. So yeah. Okay, what is good trades all? Yeah, but anyway, yeah, we do them. We do them all the time. 95 inverted. Every week got a 90. Celery's got the 88, the bullish, and that's any sort of. So yeah, just come in the clubhouse. You got all this stuff there. Every now and then I'll put them on YouTube and stuff, but I make sure I get it done every week in the clubhouse. Why don't we do karaoke? We could do karaoke anytime. I'm always down. Always. I'd be doing karaoke in my car sometimes when I go to the store in the morning, and it makes a lot of people mad for some reason. Okay, I can hear you guys now. I just popped Zoom on my phone here, so. Holy Maddie Dukes coming in hot. Girl power. Girl power.
Let's go, Maddie. W.
Let's go, Maddie.
Let's get it. Little break-even day, something light. So nice weeks though.
I love Maddie's discipline.
Nice weeks.
She could take a couple no trade days, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you go back to that, Nick. If you look at those numbers, you see 1 trade, 2 trades, 1 trade, 2 trades, 1 trade.
This is art.
It's not coincidence, yeah.
That's what I love most about Maddie.
This artwork right here. Good job. And she's green on the day. How you doing?
And she's gonna stay green.
And she's gonna stay green because it's Monday. And who else makes $417 on a Monday in 40 minutes?
Only traders.
Whatever you are, 9 a.m., 8 a.m.
Yeah, exactly.
Not even 10 a.m. yet.
Yeah.
Nah, my man Richard stepping up too. Look at this. Richard's gonna stay green today too, right, Richard? We staying green on this lovely Monday.
Hell yeah, he's staying green.
One day where he didn't follow his plan and he paid the price as he should. You know, as I should too if I break my plan, and as you should too. If you break your plan, you should pay the price. You should pay it.
Nice job, Richard.
Every time I break my plan, which is very rare nowadays, but what do I always say? I deserve that. I deserve that. I broke my plan. I deserve a loss there. Wow, yeah, good exit, gang. Good exit. And that's the main reason why I always close a little bit before the main area, because you know how many people get caught? It's sad. It really is. Like, there's so many people that get caught holding the bag right here when they were trying to get this right there. It's horrible. It's an epidemic in the trading industry.
It is very sad. Yeah, you gotta take money when it's available, man. You know, when the markets make money available, you gotta take it. You don't need to be perfect, right? Stop looking for 5 extra pips. Just take the bag, honestly.
True.
There's really no difference between 450 and 500 at the end of the day, man. Just secure that bag when it's there.
Exactly. Okay, Danny.
Nice job, Danny.
You know, I'm gonna speak about that because that's something that I used to struggle with. You know, coming from another system where you actually had to wait for, 4 days, a week, maybe 2 weeks to have a setup. Yeah, you could hold those positions longer. You'll get, 1 to 6, 1 to 7 or whatever. But you see our setups happen over and over and over again every day. So that's something that I couldn't understand because I was already, programmed to see things from the other perspective. But when you look at this, we have a setup to go up. You have a setup to go down. You have a setup for a breakout, right? So there are unlimited amount of possibilities and opportunities here. Get paid. I mean, you're doing this to get paid, right? So get the money right there, because guess what? If you get 3 trades out of 200, that's 600, right? If you are trying to get that $1,000 trade and it doesn't work out, gets into break even, or you take unnecessary loss, you're not doing anything. The playbook is going to give you opportunities and it's going to give you money there. So I guess the question is, you want to take the money, you want to leave the money on the table? That's the question right there. So if you see it, take it. Because again, you're gonna if you look at, here the numbers, like, not everybody's having massive numbers. They have consistent numbers. If you look at the numbers, they're pretty consistent around the same number over and over. So, just compound effect. I mean, I know Johnny and Nick have been saying a lot about this, compound your wins, compound your executions. That's all it is.
Yep. Compounding profits beats getting greedy with your profits, right? So focus on compounding your profits instead of getting greedy. 100% Rafi. And then, like you said, it's so true too, because it's like you're going for 500, but you're up like 450 right now. So it's either you take the 450 instead of 500, or you legit end up with nothing, right? Or even a loss potentially. So it's like, do you want the 450 or do you want nothing? Right? So might as well take it. And why not take it when you can? Because you never know with these markets. Look at what just happened. Oh no, we're only 5 pips away. We'll get it. We're right at break even now. We never got that 5 pips. So you got to be quick. You got to take it when you can. And honestly, I would just say what Nick said. You know, when we're getting close to that TP, it doesn't have to hit it perfectly. Just take it. Then I would look to exercise that into my trading plan for now on. And, you know, chat, remember, we're scalpers. You know, it's been no secret that we've said, yo, our setups work best 20 to 40 pips. 20 to 40 pips is our playbook. Our playbook setups work best, you know? So we should be snagging pips when we're up 20 to 40 pips, I think.
Snag them. Speaking of taking the money, we got 3 payout requests here to go down on Top Step here. So I just got to do my math, and we're going to take these payouts here live. Let me just do my math here, make sure I'm taking the right amount. We'll take half from each account since we can, and I think that'll put us at almost like 30, almost 3,500, I think. Let me just do the math.
Nice.
Then we'll take, I think we could take 1,000, right?
5 days.
John, on the Ignite?
Yeah. Yep.